Okay, here we are, room 205, Aarchway Inn, Moab, Utah. Let's go. You walk in, got a nice little entryway. You've got a microwave, a coffee maker, and a fridge. The fridge is empty. You've got a sink over here, and on the other side, you've got a bathroom, big tub, towels, shampoo, conditioner, can, more towels with some paper bags. And over here in the main part of the hotel room, pretty standard, but you do have this little like nook here with some hangers and an iron and board and iron. Also a thing there to hold your luggage. Otherwise, you got two beds. They're both very comfortable. A desk, TV, a chair, a window, and the heat and air conditioning unit. In between the beds, you've got the main light switches that are labeled. There's also a switch for the fan. There is not too many USB ports. There's two on the clock radio, but there is plenty of plugs throughout the room. You've also got a hair dryer and ice bucket underneath the sink. Down the hall is the breakfast area. Plenty of room here. It was off season while I was there. It's a big space, and they've got a couple different options. They've got hot food, eggs and potatoes that varied every day, but pretty much the same. Sausages. They had a pancake maker, which is pretty cool. There was also a machine to dispense juices, cereal, yogurt, fruit. I was here in January and the pool was closed, but the hot tub is open year round and it's inside with a door that opens up to the outside. They have the parking you'd expect for a hotel this size, but they also have a giant dirt lot next door that would be great for trailer parking. I mean, this is Moab. Plenty of room over there. There's plenty of amenities outside too. They had a spot for dogs. They had plenty of group activities, horseshoes, and just like basketball, things for the kids, a playground there, and just places to just hang out. And they also had this door for horses I didn't check out. They had ice, trash, and recycling in a few places, lots of stuff for other local businesses, including on the Key, which was a discount code. They had a place to store bikes and laundry with three or four machines in there, which was pretty cool, and a pretty well-equipped lobby with a nice store in there.